Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: a running Databricks workspace and a cluster with a Pyspark runtime. Once done, upload your data to DBFS or mount an external store so Spark can access it. Next, create a notebook, choose Python, and attach to the cluster. This links the notebook to Spark context. Make sure to import Pyspark SQL types and initialize a Spark session if it's not already provided. This gets you into action quickly with a ready execution environment. Now load and inspect data using Spark. Read with explicit format and schema to avoid surprises. Once loaded, call df print schema and show a few rows. After that, apply transformations with the data frame API. Use select and filter for columns and rows, with column for computed fields, and joins or group by with ag for aggregations. When intermediate results will be reused, cache or persist them, and consider writing stable checkpoints to delta tables so you can recover and iterate faster without recomputing everything. To finish, write your clean data frame to delta or parquet and register a table if you need SQL access. Choose overwrite or append carefully. Then optimize performance. Repartition to match cluster cores, use cache and prefer broadcast joins for small reference tables to avoid expensive shuffles. Once complete, stop or auto-scale the cluster to control costs. If something fails, check driver and executor logs in the cluster UI. Inspect shuffle statistics and increase executor memory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.